Internal linking is important and can help our content rank better, and it can help both the bot and users. Users can spend more time on your website, that they read one piece of content and they jump to another piece of content on your website, and thereby spending more time on your website and increasing the conversion as well. Same with bot, that when bot is reading your one content, also seeing another content by jumping to the next content where the link is. So internal linking would be just in our website, that you link your website. Let's see one example. I go to this NDTV. Let me open one article to show you how internal linking looks like. Now there is an article. Again, there is this here. There are two interlinks here. If you see this, and if you see this, now if I click here, it goes to another article of NDTV. And then so on. There would be more articles joining the same article and so on. So let's see how to give internal linking. Let's say I want to give internal linking to about page, and let's link on about, let's link our career page. So if you see here, this is a career page URL. And what I'm doing is I'm going to about page. I'm giving an internal link which would jump to career. Let's see. Editing it. You can give internal link on any word. Should be relatable. Okay, let's say let's go here and for example, courses, or maybe I want to take entire word, and I go here, click on link, paste the URL of career page, and if you see, I've given one link here, publish. Now if you click on this link, directly you're landing to career page. So that's how you can interlink number of pages on your website. A blog can be interlinked to another blog can be linked to another, and so on.